How to apply retro or vintage filters in CapCut. Retro or vintage filters are going to be under filters in CapCut, but they are going to have a particular style. So if we click on a video, we are going to scroll all the way over to filters. So what we are going to do is we can do this a couple of different ways. We can go to filters and we can scroll down to anything that looks vintagey. So think anything that's going to be more of a warm tone, anything like this, and you can adjust from there. You can also scroll over to like movies, let's say, and they'll have good vintage ones as well. You can click on retro and they'll have a bunch more retro filters that you can adjust with. You can also adjust the video quality with this, meaning that you can auto adjust any image quality. So if you wanted to make it Ultra HD